Welcome to I'm Finally Fit. In today's health and fitness landscape, protein is often hailed as a miracle nutrient, but with that acclaim comes a slew of myths and misconceptions. From the belief that only bodybuilders need protein to the idea that consuming too much can harm your kidneys, these myths can cloud our understanding of this essential macronutrient. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction to make informed dietary choices. Understanding protein's role in nutrition and fitness is vital for everyone, whether you're an athlete, a casual gym goer, or simply someone looking to maintain a balanced diet. Protein is not just about muscle building. It plays a key role in repairing tissues, producing enzymes, and supporting immune function. Misunderstanding its importance can lead to inadequate intake or misguided dietary practices. In this video, we will debunk some of the most common protein myths and clarify the truth behind them. You'll learn how much protein you actually need, the best sources to include in your diet, and how to optimize your intake for your specific goals. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of protein's significance, empowering you to make better nutritional choices that align with your health and fitness aspirations. Myth 1: more protein equals more muscle. One of the most prevalent myths in the fitness community is that ingesting uncontrolled amounts of protein will directly bring on enlarged muscle mass. While protein is indeed essential for muscle growth, the science behind muscle development is more nuanced. Muscle growth or hypertrophy occurs when the body undergoes a process of repair and adaptation after resistance training. This process requires not just protein, but also a balanced intake of carbohydrates and fats, along with adequate rest and recovery. Simply increasing protein intake without a well-rounded diet and a structured exercise program will not yield the desired results. In fact, the body can only utilize a certain amount of protein at a time for muscle repair and growth. Consuming more than your body needs may lead to excess being stored as fat or excreted. For those looking to build muscle, general recommendations suggest around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, depending on your fitness goals. For example, a recreational athlete may aim for the lower end of that range, while a competitive bodybuilder might target the higher end. Ultimately, achieving muscle growth requires a holistic approach that combines proper nutrition, effective training, and recovery strategies. Myth 2: plant-based proteins are incomplete. A common misconception is that plant-based proteins are incomplete, meaning they lack one or more essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. However, this oversimplification overlooks the complexity of plant nutrition. In reality, while some plant sources may be lower in certain amino acids, many provide a complete protein profile when consumed in the right combinations. For instance, quinoa and soy are excellent examples of plant-based foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them complete proteins. Other sources, like chia seeds and hemp seeds, also offer a well-rounded amino acid profile. Additionally, combining different plant foods, such as rice and beans or peanut butter on whole grain bread, can create a complete protein source, ensuring you get all the necessary amino acids throughout the day. Encouraging viewers to diversify their protein sources is key. Incorporating a variety of legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains not only enhances protein intake, but also provides a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. By embracing a diverse range of plant-based proteins, you can easily meet your nutritional needs while enjoying a delicious and varied diet. Myth 3: high protein diets are bad for kidneys. Many people worry that high protein diets can harm kidney health, but research on this topic reveals a more nuanced picture. Studies have shown that for healthy individuals, consuming a higher protein intake does not adversely affect kidney function. In fact, the kidneys are well equipped to handle increased protein consumption, as they efficiently filter waste products from protein metabolism. However, it's important to note that people with preceding kidney state of health, such as long-term kidney illness, may need to observe their protein consumption more closely. For these individuals, excessive protein can exacerbate their condition and lead to further kidney damage. Therefore, it's crucial for anyone with kidney issues to consult a healthcare professional for personalized dietary recommendations. For healthy individuals, safe protein levels can vary based on activity level and fitness goals, but general guidelines suggest around 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. This range allows for muscle maintenance and growth without putting undue stress on the kidneys. Ultimately, understanding your body's needs and maintaining a balanced diet is key to enjoying the benefits of protein without compromising kidney health. Myth 4. Protein supplements are necessary. There's a widespread belief that protein supplements are essential for everyone, especially for those looking to build muscle or improve their fitness. However, this notion overlooks the effectiveness of whole foods as a primary source of protein. Whole foods, such as lean meats, dairy, legumes, nuts, and seeds, not only provide protein but also come packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that supplements often lack. While protein supplements can be convenient, they are not a necessity for most people. For athletes or individuals with higher protein needs, such as those engaged in intense training, supplements may offer a quick and easy way to meet their goals. However, for the average person, a well-balanced diet rich in whole foods can easily provide sufficient protein without the need for additional supplementation. Encouraging viewers to prioritize whole food sources of protein is essential. Foods like chicken, fish, beans, and Greek yogurt can deliver the necessary protein while also contributing to overall health. By focusing on a diverse range of whole foods, you can enjoy the benefits of protein in a more natural and nutritious way, ensuring your body gets what it needs without relying solely on supplements. Myth 5. All protein sources are equal. A common misconception is that all protein sources are created equal, but this simply isn't true. There are significant differences between animal and plant proteins in terms of their amino acid profiles and overall nutritional value. Animal proteins such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are considered complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids in sufficient quantities. In contrast, many plant proteins, while still valuable, may lack one or more essential amino acids, making them incomplete. However, combining different plant sources can create a complete protein profile. Another important factor to consider is the impact of processing on protein quality. Highly processed protein sources such as certain protein bars or powders may contain additives and sugars that can diminish their nutritional value. Whole food sources, on the other hand, tend to provide a more balanced array of nutrients alongside protein. When it comes to high quality protein sources, options like lean meats, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, and legumes stand out. These foods not only deliver protein, but also offer essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. By choosing a variety of high-quality protein sources, you can ensure that your diet is both nutritious and effective in meeting your protein needs. We've tackled some of the most common protein myths that can lead to confusion and misinformation. We debunked the idea that more protein equals more muscle, clarified that plant-based proteins can be complete, addressed concerns about high protein diets and kidney health, discussed the necessity of protein supplements, and highlighted the differences between various protein sources. Understanding the facts surrounding protein is crucial for making informed dietary choices that align with your health and fitness goals. Whether you're an athlete, a casual gym goer, or simply someone looking to improve your nutrition, knowing the truth about protein can empower you to optimize your diet effectively. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this discussion, and share it with friends or family who might benefit from understanding protein better. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your health journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.